Top popular text terms and phrases. Free with subscription, like, a comment, and credit attribution. Hugs and kisses. Hugs and kisses. Hugs and kisses. Wish you were here. Wish you were here. Wish you were here. What the fudge? What the fudge? What the fudge? Wicked evil grin. Wicked evil grin. Wicked evil grin. Very big grin. Very big grin. Very big grin. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Later. Too much information. Too much information. Too much information. OMG. OMG. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, like totally, for sure. Totally. That's way cool. I am not a licensed financial broker. I am not a licensed financial broker. I'm not a licensed financial broker. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. Smash the subscribe button. Smash the subscribe button. Smash the subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. Juicy. 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 Sealed with a kiss. Sealed with a kiss. Sealed with a kiss. Girl's best friend. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Will you marry me? When will you propose to me? How long have we been dating? Sucks to be you. Sucks to be you. Shh, out of luck. Sooner or later. Sooner or later. Still in the dark. Still in the dark. What? Thanks. Thanks. Rolling on the floor, laughing my buttocks off. Read between the lines. Read between the lines. Bueller. 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 Here. Here. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Off topic. Off topic. Oh my God. Totally. For sure. Like, oh my God. For sure. Oh, I see. Oh, I see your point. New person to the game. New person here. No problem. Noisy parents. Noisy parents. Not in my backyard. My hat's off to you. My hat's off to you. Love you. Love you too. Love you. Love you back. Love you like a sister. Love you like a brother. Love you. Oh, laughing out loud. Laughing out loud. Laughing out loud. Just kidding. Just kidding. Kidding. In search of. In search of. In my humble opinion. In my most humble opinion. Top of the morning to you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you very much. Great. Great. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? For what it's worth. For what it's worth. Forgot where I am. Forgot where I was. Do I look like I give 2 dimes? Fear, uncertainty, and disinformation. Fear, uncertainty, and disinformation. Best friends forever. Best friends forever. Totally cool. Best friends forever and ever and ever. BFF. Best friends forever. Be seeing you. Be seeing you. Bye for now. Wait, be right back. Tonight, tomorrow, today, now. Bye for now. Be seeing you. Thanks a lot.